Extended read 2. Remember to annotate as you read. On One Wheel by Carly Shuna. I tried to move, but it was too late. Thwack! The ball smacked me in the knee. Ouch! I groaned. Laughter echoed off the walls of the gym. I sighed. Sports are not my thing. Well, normal sports are not my thing anyway. Maybe making friends at my new school would be tougher than I thought. You're out, Casey, said Martha. Make room for those of us who can play. I leaned up against the wall and watched the rest of the game. During the next round, I actually dodged the ball, but then I stumbled and fell down. I heard giggles all around, and then I saw Miss Perkins standing over me. Casey, are you okay? She asked. My knee hurts, I said. Miss Perkins helped me up. Do you know where the nurse's office is? She asked. I shook my head. Martha, please take Casey to the nurse, said Miss Perkins. So, you're not a dodgeball player, said Martha as we walked down the hall. What are you good at? Well, I admitted, I'm just not very good at normal sports. Martha snorted. That's for sure, she said. The nurse put an ice pack on my knee and told me to lie down. I stared at the ceiling and remembered what Martha had said in the hallway. How was I going to make friends if I couldn't even play the sports we did in gym class? Mom, I said as I got into the car later, I can't do anything. What do you mean? Asked Mom. Martha says I can't play dodgeball. She's kind of right. Mom frowned. Sweetie, you can do lots of things. Not dodgeball. Dodgeball takes practice, said Mom. You're good at lots of things. You can sing, you can fold origami, and you can unicycle. I looked at Mom. I said. You're the only kid at Unicycle Club who can wheel walk, Mom added. You're better than the grown-ups. Mom was right. I am awesome on the unicycle. I can do lots of fun tricks. At home, my knee felt better, and Mom let me take my unicycle out to the driveway and practice some tricks. I did a hop twist and a seat drop. A couple of cars honked at me, and one driver even poked his head out the window and said, "Nice job!" That night, I had a dream. It was gym class, and we were playing basketball. Instead of throwing balls at the basket, though, everyone was throwing them at me. Balls pummeled me from all sides, and everybody was laughing really loudly. Then my unicycle flew down from the sky. I hopped on it, scooped up a ball, dribbled around the gym, and made a slam dunk. I woke up with an idea. Can I ride my unicycle to school today? I asked Mom at breakfast. She poured me some orange juice. She said, I think that's okay if I ride my bike next to you. Yes, I said. The sidewalk leading to school is uneven, but I didn't fall once. I even wheel walked for part of the way. When we got close to school, kids started staring at me. Whoa, somebody said. You can ride a unicycle? Then I saw Martha looking right at me. I hopped off my unicycle. What is that? Asked Martha. Did you lose half your bike or something? Not exactly, I said. This is my unicycle. I ride with a club. Sometimes we even perform at fairs. I've done it since I was 5. Can I try? Asked Martha. I looked at Mom. She nodded. Mom stood on one side of the unicycle and helped Martha up. I stood on the other side and let Martha grasp my arm. A crowd of kids gathered. Martha tried to pedal forward, but but she fell off the unicycle right away. A couple of kids snickered. Martha looked at me, but I didn't laugh. "It's hard," I said. "Want to try again?" Martha nodded. We helped her up, and she fell off again. More kids laughed. "That's not nice," I said. "She's trying." Martha looked at me. "Can I see you do it again?" she asked. "Sure," I said. I hopped on my unicycle and zoomed around, forward and backward. Then I took my feet off the pedals and did my wheel walk. When I dismounted, everybody clapped. Mom grinned at me and said, "Nice job." "You're pretty good at that," said Martha. "Better than a dodgeball," I said. Martha giggled and I grinned. Maybe making friends wouldn't be so bad after all.